Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how I can use the ultra high speed timer for 1 millisecond in Omron PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our CX programmer version 9.5 and just go to the direct online and connect, click and click yes and wait for some time. It will be automatically detect your PLC which is connected with your PC online. So your PLC is connected with online, and just we will make it little bigger and we will delete this old and we will create a new program just for you. So first of all, we will take an input address. For example, I0.0 if I will take, just only type the 0 and first bit you can write in your program. And in second step, we will take one direct timer and go to the find instructions, and here you will go timer counter. And in previous videos already this binary timers I explained to you, but now we will take this one TIMH 540. This is the also have a here downside description 1 millisecond timer ultra high speed timer BCD type, and if you use this one, this will be binary type. In previous video already I explained about binary type, and now we will use this BCD type timer and click OK. And just we have to be give here timer number. For example, T0 I will choose and give the value. For example, if you like to 1 second right, you have to be just type only 1000 and click OK, and your timer will be placed in your ladder. And next one bit we will take for just only status to show our timer. For example, T0 we choose, and we will take the open contact of the T0, and one output we will choose, for example 100.0 for just only status of our timer, and click here to online and just download, click OK, and you can see here is nothing have any zero error, zero warning, and it will be go to the online directly. And now you can see this our timer. As I give the input signal at the I0.0, after 1 second just only our output will be energized. See, you can see this is just 1 second after it is on our output. Again I will press, you can see this is 1 second. And if you like to be verify, you can just match with your computer value of your timer. I will at 50, can see just 1 second. See, because of this is the ultra high speed timer. And if you like to change this value, just close this program and go here, and this if you like to be change the value for 2 seconds, you write only just 2000 and click enter. This value will be changed, but you have to be again download to the PLC and click yes. Because of how to change online these values already I explained in previous videos. You can see my old video how we can just without stop the PLC, how we can change the time of the timers. This my previous videos, see. after you will be understand. So now we put for only just 2 seconds, and we will make it online. Yeah, this is now our PLC is running, and I will again give the signal at I0.0, and as per scene you can see this is after just 2 seconds our output is on. It's very simple and easy method to use this timer, ultra high speed. This description also you can go in the help and you can read this manual. 1 millisecond timer, ultra high speed timer, timer number, this one, and here this one set value. Hope guys you will be understand about this ultra high speed timer, how we can use in the Omron PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section or send me email. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.